There are different breakfast options that you can choose from, like porridge, bread, chapati, or even pastries, and all these are perfect. But in today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you a healthy option, that is porridge, which is loaded with lots of nutrients. It's delicious and super yummy. There are different types of oats that you can use for this recipe. For example, we have some instant oats that I'm going to be using for this recipe. Also, we have some rolled oats, quick oats, and steel cut oats. So whichever oats you have in the house, you're going to try out this recipe. So you'll need a cup of oats, milk, fruits, any fruits that you have in the house for topping up, and some water. So I'm going to get straight into making my breakfast by placing a small pot over medium flame. Then you're going to add in all the ingredients in the pot. I'm going to start off with 2 cups of milk. Add in my oats. You can add in some sugar or salt. For the recipe, I'm going to be adding in a pinch of salt, just enough for taste. And then I'm going to add in half a cup of water. Using a spatula, you're going to stir in until everything comes to a boil, and that is going to take around 2 to 3 minutes, or 1 to 2, depending on the flames that you are using. For me, I'm using medium flame. As everything is coming to a boil, the porridge is going to thicken up. So you're going to thin out the porridge to your own preference. And you can choose to add in some water or some more milk. I'm going to check the seasoning. Is it the seasoning? I'm going to check if it's well salted and it's just perfect. And this is 2 cups of milk and half a cup of water. And this is the consistency that I'm going for. As you can see, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. So at this point, because the pot has come to a boil, I'm going to reduce the flames to low. Then I'm going to simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once ready, this is how your porridge is going to be looking. So you're going to put out the flames and serve in a bowl. Top up with your favorite dried fruits. Once you're done serving your porridge, you're going to top up with your favorite fruit. For me, I chose to add in some mulberry because they're in the garden. And also I added in some dried fruits, which are also perfect for each bite. I've been enjoying the porridge because it's so yummy and I'm super hungry. Yum. The porridge is creamy. It's a little bit salty, just a tiny bit. And it's just so delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try. That I enjoy my breakfast.